Hi everyone, Paul and Abel here from Morbid Team Entertainment. We're going to do some more test shots today, and that means seeing how the action scenes look while the film is in development through the lens of the camera, trying different angles for different scenes. Once we find out what we can work with and what works best, then we'll apply that to the script that's best. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, so today we did some test shots with Abel. Got some guys back here talking to Abel about some possible dreadlocks, and if you want to be in the horror film, the experimental horror film by Morbid Team Entertainment, just contact us at the Morbid Team Entertainment page and do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.
Peace out.